Starting out a career in swing trading could be extremely rewarding, but if you don't know exactly how to actually do it, then you might actually just be wasting your time, because there are countless tutorials out there who are just actually giving you false hopes and making you to watch a lot of other tutorials and going down deeper and deeper rabbit holes trying to find out exactly what is the best way to actually become a swing trader. Or even if you're totally new to trading, I'm going to be guiding you from this video as a beginner to a pro at swing trading. Or if you're actually a day trader looking to transition from being a day trader to becoming a swing trader, I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually do it profitably, or exactly how you can actually integrate some of these strategies in your day trading strategy, so you can actually become a more profitable trader and make more success for yourselves in the trading industry. So before I actually continue, it's very important I explain what is swing trading. So very first thing you need to know is that swing trading is basically a very complex, it's not a very complex subject, but I'm going to be breaking it down in simpler terms to you so you understand better. So ensure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because if you actually miss a single step, then you might not actually understand every single thing I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So you have to make sure you watch the video to the end so you understand all these things, because the number one mistake a lot of people actually make is that they actually watch half of the videos and actually go out there to actually start practicing and they end up failing. I highly recommend you watch the video from the beginning to the end and then come back again to actually start watching it in bits and then start practicing what you are learning, so the video doesn't get too overwhelming for you. And with that said, make sure you drop a like to this video so more struggling swing traders can actually find this video and actually learn more from it. So the very first thing I actually have to tell you is that I'm going to break down the meaning of swing trading. Now, swing trading is basically holding trades longer than a day. Now, if you actually know a lot of day traders, they actually hold trades within the day. So let's say they start the trade at the beginning of New York session, they only hold the trade till the end of New York session. Or from the beginning of London session, they actually hold the trade till the end of London session. Or at the beginning of Asian session, they actually hold the trade till the end of Asian sessions. So that's basically the meaning of day trading. But for swing traders, these swing traders actually hold trades from, let's say, the beginning of New York session today to New York session of another day, or to New York session of the forthcoming weeks or months. Now, the basic concept is that once the trade is now over a day or 2 days, it's basically now a swing trade and no longer a day trade. So swing trading is what a lot of institutional investors do. That's what the people who actually move the market do. So now that you've understood the meaning of swing trading, it's very important I take you to my channel to actually explain all these things in more details to you. But very first thing you have to know is that if you're actually swing trading and you're using the wrong broker, then you might actually be making some mistakes, because some brokers or prop firms might not allow you to hold trades for a very long time, which is why it's very important you use my recommended broker with the link in the video's description, which I'm actually going to be leaving in the video's description. So make sure you click on that link and then actually start your swing trading journey by clicking on it and signing up with it. And with that said, let's get right to my channel. Alright guys, so right now I'm on my screen. I believe I've actually given you guys a very good understanding of what swing trading is. If you still don't understand, also make sure you let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll also be explaining more to you personally. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first person that's actually going to learn. So the very first thing you need to know is that swing traders are actually very smart people. So you actually need to be very sensible to do this. So this is not something you just come out and you just start doing just like that. So the very first thing you have to take note of is candlestick patterns. So this pair I'm on right now is basically the NZD card pair. So let's go over to the 1 month time frame. So first of all, if you're a swing trader, you have to start from the higher time frame to do your analysis. Now, the time frames common for swing traders are basically the 12 months time frame, the 6 month time frame, the 3 months time frame, the 1 month time frame, and the 1 week time frame. If you're a day trader, then you should be looking at the 1 day time frame, 4 hour time frame, the 3 hour time frame, the 2 hours, and the 1 hour time frame. They can also come down to the 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes if you're an intraday trader. So these are things you actually have to take note of so you don't actually make insensate mistakes. So the very first thing you need to know is that for this pair NZD card, you have to look at the monthly time frame for us to get a full understanding of what market has been doing on the higher time frame. So going over to the 1 month time frame right now, you can actually see that. Okay, let me pull this up real quick. So you can actually see that this has been in a bit of a downtrend since market actually dropped from this point. Market has been on a downtrend since that point. So for you to actually make a trade here, you have to first of all identify the overall trend of the market. So for this particular pair, which is NZD card, you can see the market was in an uptrend from this point. Was in an uptrend from this point. Then all of a sudden, the market actually came down to this point and actually started doing a bit of a retracement to the downside. So now going over to the on this monthly time frame, you can actually see that market actually came up to a particular area. So let me just pick up this rectangle to show you guys this. So the market actually came up to this point. Market started pushing up again. So the very first thing you have to know is that you have to start mapping out levels. Now this is basically called an order block. If you don't know what an order block is, I have a full tutorial on my channel about order blocks, or if you want me to make a new video on order blocks, then let me know down below in the video's description and I'll make that video too. So right now, here's an order block right here. Basically, an order block is a place where there is a confluence of a red candlestick and a green candlestick. You can also call this a bullish candlestick and a bearish candlestick. So wherever a bullish candlestick and a bearish candlestick meets at a corner, it's called an order block. So when market actually came into this order block on the monthly time frame, market started pushing up in and started changing its trend to a very much bullish trend. But market also reacted to this order block that is also right here. Market reacted to this other block that is also right here and started pushing down. Now these are now the two main levels that we have mapped out on the monthly time frame. Now once you have mapped this out, you have to start going down. Okay, let me take this off. So from the monthly time frame, you have to go down to lower time frames to actually understand what market is actually doing at those points. So the very next thing you have to do is that you have to go down to the 1 week time frame. You have to follow, this is basically known as top down analysis. So you actually have to do a bit of a top down analysis on your own pairs so you get to know the next thing that you are meant to do. So as you can see right here, this is now the protected high and the protected low that I've actually mapped out with these two things. Now I'm expecting this pair to actually start pushing up pretty much soon, but first of all, you have to actually take out a whole lot of things. So from the 1 week time frame, I'm going down to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame, and this video we are going to be doing our main analysis. So first things first, if you guys exactly know how I trade, if you've been watching my previous videos, you understand that I actually start with mapping out my sweep of liquidity. Now at this point, there was a sweep of liquidity right here, and also at this point there was a break of structure. All right, so at this point there was a break of structure, and then this market actually came down to actually give us our structural liquidity. If you don't understand all these things, then make sure you watch all my previous videos on market structure and every single thing like that. So after this structural liquidity, then there's another break of structure right here. So after this break of structure, we're expecting market to actually come down and take this particular structural liquidity off. Then we now enter from there. So let's pick up our long position too to actually show you guys this so you guys get to understand. So this is a 3 risk to reward trade. So this is a 3R trade they can actually catch if you're actually very patient with this. So I'm going to be dropping this video now so you get to understand that this is actually what you are meant to be doing if you actually want to start trading as a swing trader. Don't forget to use the link in my video description to sign up to my recommended broker. If you want me to make a longer video explaining swing trading, then ensure you also let me know down below in the comment section and I'll make a longer video for you guys. But with that said, I'll see you guys in my very next video.